can we say we are really happy? It doesn't matter what has happened, we are okay. Or if we cannot say, then there's a long road we have to go through. If we feel कि we are okay, many times we are right, अंदर का सुख हमें है, it doesn't matter. But वही ऐसे ही हमारी आदत हो जाती है, आदत हो जाती है, क्यों ऐसे आदत हो जाती है? We are used to, you know, have you seen some children? Nowadays children get very bored very fast.
Yes.
They I'm bored. और भी अभी नई चीज है कि after 10 minutes I am bored. You know why? Because they haven't been taught to play and be happy inside. Their happiness is always in getting new things.
Yes.
So this habit is what, and हम बच्चे की बात कर रहे हैं. Many of us are like that.
Yes. The same
If
thing
we are not
happens.
getting something different, something new, we are bored. We don't know what to do. Okay? We are looking for happiness outside.
Always things buying
Yes.
new things and they
That's
feel
it.
happy for a while.
That you understand now. Okay? Now what to do about it? अभी हमको problem तो हम समझ गए कि ये problem है. Okay? इंसान है हम. And we will go through this.
Human being.
But when you want true peace, that true peace you will get, it will be regardless of what your external environment is. You have to remember that. Okay, अभी जैसे आपने बोला, somebody gives you something nice, appreciate, yeah, be happy. Be happy with the good food, nothing wrong with that.
Yes.
But remember that good food is there now, tomorrow it may not be there. You getting me?
That time also you should be happy. Whatever,
You should be happy,
that time.
but you should tell
But not-
yourself
yes.
it is for a short while.
Yes, for a short while.
Yeah. And then you go on to the next time. If you want to encourage that peace within you, see, we have lots of things which help us to get peace inside. We do satsangs, we do prayers, we do this. Everything is to help you get that peace.
Yes.
That's why we say, no, we go to the Gurdwara and we get peace. We go here and we get peace. Why do you want to go somewhere else? The peace is inside you. But at the same time, your mind has to be controlled.
You have to.
Knowing that it is in my mind, that is okay. But you have to control your mind.
Yes.
And to control your mind, you have to do sadhana. And that sadhana, it starts with going for satsangs and all.